Nancy with Ash's Treasure Homesteading and Gardening. Today is just a little short one about what I made for lunch. But the little one's over there, she won't be in the video because she's not feeling well. She woke up with all the sinus stuff going on, so she's just over there resting, which is fine. But today I made cream of broccoli soup. In all the videos I saw out there, they put vegetable broth in it. And I'm like, that's not cream of broccoli soup because it's supposed to be creamy. You know? Like this. Well, that wasn't very good. And then it thickens up as it cools off. There we go. It is broccoli, carrots, celery, salt and pepper, my dehydrated garlic, and dehydrated onions. So good. Even though it's summer, I still like cream of broccoli soup. I didn't put any cheese in it this time, but next time we'll get some extra cheese and I'll make broccoli and cheese, cream of broccoli and cheese soup. I'm also working on making some yogurt. So we're going to try this time again to see if it works. But, yeah. And I was looking over there. There's this little gadget. And we'll do a video of how well it works. But, anybody that has arthritis, carpal tunnel, rheumatoid arthritis, I love this thing. I have carpal tunnel. And we got ours from Aldi, but I know there's an infomercial on it. And it's so simple, a child can do it. And we will have Anastasia demonstrate that sometime this week or the weekend. But she loves it. It's just easy. It's just a pull string, and that's it. So, hey, that's a good prepping item to have. If the power goes out and you need to cut up your veggies and the knife gets a little bit too hard for you to do it, you got that little gadget. So, and I will let everybody know how the yogurt turns out. And that should be this week also, because this thing has got a few more hours to cook, and then you gotta let it cool off and add all the good stuff, and then let it incubate for overnight. And yeah, I went out front. Somebody had knocked over my cups that has my flowers in it. So, I think they think nobody's home. I don't know. But, that's alright. What goes around comes around. And God will make sure they get theirs. So, on that note, just like Patty Rose, at Patty Rose Life Happens, she goes, life happens, let's enjoy it. So, I'm going to enjoy my day. I'm going to enjoy my soup. See, is it getting thicker? Yeah. And enjoy spending some time with my granddaughter while she rests. And everybody have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Ring that bell for notifications and leave a comment. And I'll talk to you next time on Ash's Treasure.